Hello, and welcome to another episode. Today we'll be opening up packs of cards from Gundam Duel Company 2. Here is pack number 1. First we start with Yonam Kirks. And there's the back of the card. Then we got Gundam Ground Type Gym Head. Here is the back of the card. Then we got Lock on Stratos. And there's the card list. And there's the back of Lock on's card. Here's the next pack. First we start with the Din. There's the back of the card. In the front again. And then we got the Gun Cannon. And there's the back of the gun cannon. And then we got the Sinanju. And here's the back. That was pack number 2. The card list. Then we start with the Zaku 2 White Ogre. There's the back. Then we got Kim Nick. There's the back. And then we have Char Aznable. And here's the back. Next pack. Now we have a Jin, the high maneuver type. Here's the back. Then we got the Jim 2, a Yug type. There's the back of this one as well. And then the Gogoog Cannon. There's the back. Alright, last 3 packs of Series 2. Alright, first we start with the Dom Tropin. There's the back. Then we got the Union Real Dough. There's the art. There's the back. Then we got Marita Cruz. There's the front and the back. Last two packs. First we start with a Desert Type Gym 2. For some reason this pack's a little creased. Don't know why. Yeah, there's the back of the Desert Gym 2. Then we got the Marasai. And a duplicate Char Astable. But there's the back of the Marasai. Yep, exact same card. Right, last pack. We start with the Dom Tropin. There's the back. Then Mikhail Kaminsky in the back. Then Fei Yuri in the back. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.